Welcome to Grow and Learn TV.
Whoa!
Farm animals and their young ones. Cow and calf. A cow gives birth to a calf. The calf drinks milk from its mother and grows big and strong. Chicken and chick. A chicken hatches from an egg. The baby chicken, called a chick, pecks its way out of the eggshell. Sheep and lamb. A mother sheep, called a ewe, has a baby called a lamb. Lambs like to play and jump around in the fields. Duck and duckling. Ducks lay eggs, and from those eggs hatch ducklings. Ducklings follow their mother closely and learn to swim in ponds. Horse and foal. When a horse has a baby, it's called a foal. Foals can stand and walk shortly after they are born. Goat and kid. A goat gives birth to a kid. Kids are very playful and enjoy climbing on rocks and trees. Rabbit and bunny. A female rabbit, known as a doe, gives birth to bunnies. Bunnies have soft fur and twitchy noses. Donkey and foal. Just like horses, donkeys also have babies called foals. Donkey foals are very curious and love to explore their surroundings. Goose and gosling. Geese lay eggs in nests. When the eggs hatch, out come goslings. Goslings have yellow feathers and like to follow their parents in a line, waddling together. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.